benchmarking. Benchmarking is defined as the process of measuring products, services, and processes against those of organization known to be leader in one or more aspect of their operations. Benchmarking provides necessary insight to help you understand how your organization compares to the similar organization, even if they are in a different businesses. Benchmarking can also help organizations identify areas, system, or process for improvement, either incremental improvements or dramatical improvements. Benchmarking has been classified into two distinct categories. First, technical, and second, competitive. Technical benchmarking is performed by design staff to determine the capabilities of products or services, especially in comparison to the products or services of leading competitors. For example, on a scale of 1 to 4, 4 being best, how do the designer rank the properties of your organization's products or services? If you cannot obtain hard data, design efforts may be inefficient, and products or services. Competitive benchmarking compares how well or poorly an organization is doing with respect to the leading competition, especially with respect to the critically important attributes, function, or values associated with the organization's product or services. For example, on a scale of 1 to 4, 4 being the best, how do the customer rank your organization's products or services compared to those of leading competitor? If you cannot obtain hard data, marketing efforts may be misdirected and design effort misguided. Benchmarking case study. Colchester University Department of Housing began a project to improve the process of which students apply for and assigning housing. This project had three main goals. The first goal is reduce residency and vacancy rates to below 1%. Second, improve student satisfaction levels. And lastly, make the best possible use of employee time and effort. Benchmarking partnership. Benchmarking the global states of quality is partnership with APQC to collect and study data on the global state of quality. The goal is to provide an initial view and regular updates to help organizations compare quality and continuous improvement advancement to each other. Stockholder challenges: choosing the right benchmarks, finding reliable data source, balancing costs and benefits, managing stockholders and expectations. Benchmarking benefits: first, identify performance gaps. Second, find opportunities. Third, lower expenses. Fourth, understand the competition. Fifth, reduce workflow inefficiencies. Sixth, increase sales. And lastly, set business goals.